Hi guys, I'm Chef Avi, and in today's episode of Avi's Kitchen, I'll be showing you how I make my summer salad with orange vinaigrette. This is a super simple salad. It's vibrant, it's bright. I have a flavor profile of a toddler. I don't like vegetables, so I add a lot of fruits in them. You can add vegetables if that's what you like, and this is how we make it. We'll start with making our orange vinaigrette. I love this stuff. To make orange vinaigrette, in a bowl we'll zest some oranges. Into the same bowl I'll add some grated garlic. I'm using 1 garlic clove. Then I'll bring in my juicer and juice some oranges until I have half cup of juice. I'll add the juice back into the bowl and then season this with salt and pepper. Next I'll be adding my vinegar. I'm using white wine vinegar today. You can also use red wine vinegar if that's all you have. And for sweetness I'm using honey. You can also use sugar, you can leave it out, you can also add simple syrup at this point. I'll add in some Dijon mustard for the heat and give it a good mix. Now is the important part. We need to emulsify our juices, vinegar with oil. I'm using 1/8 cup of extra virgin olive oil and 1/8 cup of light olive oil because I don't want too much of olive oil flavor. I'll drizzle it down slowly while whisking vigorously. That is it, our dressing is ready. I'll add it into a container, close it and refrigerate it for minimum 1 hour. When I'm ready to use my dressing, you will see that it has separated in layers. Give it a good mix like this and it's ready to go. This recipe makes enough vinaigrette for at least 5 to 6 more servings. Once you have taken desired quantity of dressing for one salad, keep it back in your refrigerator and this should last you for at least 1 to 2 weeks. I sometimes make 3 to 4 varieties of salad dressings on a weekend. That way I can have quick salad throughout the week. While our salad dressing is resting in refrigerator, I would like to toast some almonds. I'll take a frying pan with no oil and toast my almonds until they are lightly or even a little bit darker brown. And then in the same pan I'll be making my blistered cherry tomato. To do that, in a frying pan I'll add some olive oil and grate a garlic clove. Add in my cherry tomatoes. Season it with salt, pepper and some Italian seasoning. Give it a good mix. Then I'll add some honey, splash of orange juice and some white wine vinegar. You can also use red wine vinegar. Mix it, cook it on medium heat until your sauce reduces and your tomatoes are blistered. That's all the cooking we need to do today for this recipe. It's really hot and I don't want to cook anymore. I'm gonna set them aside and let them cool completely. Meanwhile, I'll prep my vegetables and fruits. First, I'll take the cooled down almonds on a chopping block and chop it into bite-sized pieces and set it aside. Next, I'll take my oranges, peel it and take the segments out. I'll chop my cucumbers into chunks. I'll also take some pineapple because I like the brightness it brings. I usually like to make this with fresh pineapples, but I don't have that during lockdown. But I do have a can of pineapple rings in my pantry, so I'm gonna use that today. I'll also chop some coriander and green onions. Next, I'll take my washed iceberg lettuce, add it to a salad spinner and give it a good spin to get rid of excess moisture. With this, we are done with all the preps, and now it's time to assemble our salad. Now that our orange vinaigrette is out of the refrigerator, we'll give it a good shake and add it to a big bowl. Then we'll add in our mixing spoons over the salad dressing and then assemble our salad over that. This way our salad does not get soggy, and we can just mix it once we are at the table and ready to serve. Our salad is ready. I'll take it to the table and then mix it there when I'm ready to serve. I can't wait any longer. This is the best way to make me eat vegetables. So good. If you make this salad, click pictures, tag me on Instagram at Avi's Kitchen. Until then, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.